Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use somebody else's audio on YouTube Shorts. First, let's go into YouTube, and as you would normally do to upload a Shorts, you would tap on Shorts in the bottom left hand corner right beside Home, and it's going to open up some recommended Shorts as you can see right here. You could scroll through and select the one that you would like to use the audio from. And once you have found one that you would like to use the audio from, you can tap right in the bottom right hand corner. And you will see use this sound. And you can tap on use this sound. And you can record your shorts now. And you can start recording by pressing the record icon right here. And that's it. There's another way also how you can get the sound to use. For instance, if I should tap on this video right here. After that has played. Let's say you want to use the audio from this video. You would tap on create right beside save. And you can see the audio right at the top, and you would press record again, and you would start recording your shorts, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use audio from somebody else's video on your YouTube shorts.